To Sarmiento. Sarmiento dribble the ball. The pass to Hauko. Inside pass, the pass, and the finish! To the middle. Another extra pass. Top shot and a bucket. Reyes. The baseline to the middle. Inside pass. Basket is good. Jumper. No. And fire and a bucket for two. Welcome to Bulacan Intertown Makata Cup. It's Beston Plarider versus Hagono. The pass. Left wings for three. Bang! First block. Pamintuan. Stops. Pass to Lopez to the middle. Hauko. Floater. Bullseye. Hauko. Neda. Pass to the corner, pass back Pineda. Pineda to the left area. Attacks and pass to the corner, 40. No. Fight for the rebound. Rebound. Team Hagonoy. Eliamil sa gitna, pull up jumper. No. And fire and a bucket for two. And here's Lopez, pass to the middle. Hauko, the ball side, top shot. Dito ng Team Hagonoy. Crisostomo, the pass. Pineda will fire and an easy bucket for Pineda. Ito kay Hauko. The pass. Castillo will attack. Will fire. Oh! Pushing. Dribbling the ball and off stop. Pass to the middle. And fires off the window. Money! Here come Team Hagonoy posting up against Reyes. Cross pass. Reyes to the corner. Inside pass. Kicks out. Open fix. Attacks, the top shot, and it's a lucky bounce. Javier setting number 2 for their play. Javier, pass it to Gabriel. Gabriel left area, De La Cruz will launch on 3. Off the mark. Rebound Team Hagonoy. And baseball pass to the middle. Another extra pass, top shot, and a bucket, Reyes. And here's Team Hagonoy. Pass to Reyes, will fire 3. Bam! 3 points, Reyes! And the pass, the drive, the lace, and it's in! And here we go, Team Hagonoy, basketball. And attacks, lace, too strong. Fight for the rebound. Rebound Team Plaridel. And all along De La Cruz to the hoops, easy two! And for the inbound. And pass corner, bounce pass, Pineda will lace, and bucket for 2. Pass to the middle. Sarmiento will set the play. Pass to De La Cruz. Goes to the baseline, to the middle. Inside pass, fires, basket is good. Pass, number 31 will receive, lost the ball. And is stolen by De La Cruz. De La Cruz. And pass to Sarmiento. Pass back De La Cruz. De La Cruz to the corner, open, fires a 3, bang! And here you go, number 31, pass to Crisostomo. Pass to Pineda, Pineda will drive, will bump the top shot, yes sir! Tied at 21, Crisostomo to Pineda, for 3, bang! In your face! Pass to Sarmiento. Sarmiento now dribbling at the top, inside pass, receive, and is stolen. And now in hurry, bounce pass, sakto kay Pineda na naman. Bakit? Pineda! Sarmiento, dribbling at the top. Pass to the left wings. Castillo, sumigsa, gumatake, inside pass. Oh, Puna-awa, bakit? And the pass, is Espiritu. Pass to number 31. Attacking, bounce pass, is stolen by Sarmiento. And the pass, Castillo. And Ploder and Castillo with the finish. And is Hauko. Pass it to Sarmiento. Sarmiento dribble the ball. The pass to Hauko. Inside pass, the pass, and the finish. Hauko. Pass to Sarmiento. Bounce pass to Hauko. Drives the middle. Corner wide open for 3. Bam! 3 points. Inside pass, the pass, and the finish. Paling up. And here you go. Fires at 3, no good. Rebound para sa dito sa Team Plaridel and the pass. And oh! What? And the follow-up shot gets finished. And here we go, the crossover move. That drives the fires. Yes, it's in! And here's Tim Plaridel dribbling at the top. And the pass. Holds. Setting the play. De La Cruz. For 3. Bang! 3. And here's Sarmiento. Pass back to Sarmiento. Sarmiento kicks it out. Goes to the baseline. Fakes. And cross pass. Drags and drive. Inside pass. The fire. Bucket is good. And the pass break. And Reyes with the finish. Sarmiento with the ball. The pass to the left wing. Launches on deep. In and out. And pass. It's Sarmiento. Pass to the right side. Fakes. One bounce and fire. It's short. Rebound Sarmiento. No look pass. The love pass. And the finish. And you go. Tim Agonoy. Pull up jumper at the baseline. Yes, sir. And here you go. Tim Agonoy. Basketball lost the ball. And stolen Romero the pass. And here's Sarmiento. Goes to the middle. Kicks out wide open for 3. In and out. Rebound putback. No good. And the long pass. Attacking the defense is spinning. Fading away of the window. Mane. Sarmiento is spinning. Goes to the middle. Goes to the right left wings. Spinning it back. Drives. Stop. Pull up jumper. Bullseye. And here's Tim Plaridel. The pass to the corner. One dribble and pass to the middle. Between the legs. Goes to the baseline. Bump. To the middle and floater. And left-handed. And it's in. For the inbound. For Tim Agonoy. The pass to the corner. Bounce pass back. Pineda will drive and lace. And he finish. And it's Sarmiento for Tim Plaridel between the legs. And attacking the defense to the middle. He spins. Fires. No. Rebound. Natapikan. Dive for the ball. And save. And here's Sarmiento. No look pass inside the pass. And the finish. What? And he's spinning. And a bounce pass. Beneath Bitleys. And a laggy bounce. And here we go. Tim Agonoy basketball. And dribble. Bounce pass to the wings. Pass it. And the cross pass is stolen. And here's De La Cruz. Pass to Gonzalez. Gonzalez will drive. And is stolen. And bump. Goes to the hoops. And yes, it's in. Stolen. Pull up jumper. Bullseye. Garcia. And here you go. Tim Agonoy. Corner pass. To the middle. Stolen. And here you go. Easy too. Tim Agonoy. Pass it to the left wing. Spanada. And the pass to the middle. And dribble. Inside pass. And pull up J. Bullseye. Auco. Auco kicks out. De La Cruz. Pull up J. No. Rebound. And the pass break. Eksakto yung pasa. And the pass. And oh! Nag-Starbucks sa Sarmiento. And the long pass. Nalibre na. And the fire. And easy to. Pineda. Against Sarmiento. Pineda lost the handle. Stolen. Here's Sarmiento. 2-on-1. 3-on-1. Let's. Oh! And dribbling the ball. Pass to the corner for 3. Bang! 3-point! And the chance to deduct the lead. And here's number 10. For 2 long to. Bullseye! Down to 3-point lead! On the game clock. And shot clock down to 17. Stop for 3. No good! Hey! Kapatayo lahat ng mga players. Offensive foul! Oh! And here's Sarmiento. And the foul. Inbound. And the pass. For the inbound. Up. for the free throw. And it's a bucket for the inbound. Now looking for the receiver. And the pass, the bounce pass. And over, stolen! And now, straight to the home! And it's a bucket! 5-point lead! Big bucket for Team Plaridel. The pass is stolen! And sisigaw ng uwian na! Congratulations, Team Plaridel.